Ensuring the safety of your home involves having reliable carbon monoxide detectors and smoke detectors functioning as a fire alarm. At Peaden Air Conditioning, Plumbing, and Electrical, we recommend these quick steps for testing that your carbon monoxide and smoke detectors are working properly. Locate every smoke detector. Stand under each one with a step stool if needed. If it's hardwired, make sure household power is on. If it's battery only, have a fresh battery ready. Press and hold the test button until you hear the full alarm. It should be loud and clear. If it's weak, silent, or intermittent, replace the battery and test again. Still not right? It's time to replace the unit. Did you know that most smoke detectors expire after 10 years? Look for the manufacturer's date on the back or rim. If it's 10 years old or you can't find a date, replace it. Do not paint detectors and don't cover them. While you're testing, it's a good idea to gently vacuum or dust the detector's vents. Dust and coastal humidity can cause nuisance chirps or missed alerts. A single, periodic chirp usually means low battery. Rapid chirps or persistent beeps after a fresh battery can indicate failure. Replace the unit or call us. If any detector won't test properly, chirps after new batteries, or you want help placing additional detectors and interconnecting them for whole home coverage, the professionals at Peaden can help. Since 1969, homeowners have trusted Peaden for pro installs across AC, plumbing, and electrical. Need a safety check or replacements installed? Schedule service with Peaden today.
Peaden, the pros you can trust.